Before we wrap the show, we want to do something we like to refer to as the Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. What do you got, Bryan?
Mine is, I bought this the night before I took my last plane ride because it could be delivered at 3 a.m. or wherever. So it was available before I left for the airport. And it's a pair of headphones, and I'm pretty particular with my headphones, especially for when I'm going to be wearing them for a long time. I wanted them to where it wasn't that kind of leathery or fake leather kind of headrest, because in the airplane it gets super sweaty and that's gross. So I was looking for more of a fabric over-the-ear headphone, something that's comfortable. This one also came with a microphone, which is pretty cool, and it can connect to 2 devices at once, so I can have it on my phone and on my laptop at the same time. This is the Logitech Zone Vibe 100 noise canceling headphones. I bought them for $100. Right now they're $80 on Amazon. But yeah, do they have the best noise canceling for, like, would I use this for prospecting? Probably not. I know, Kyle, you've had ones that are like $400 that are really, really great for that.
I mean, there was a girl on our mastermind in the car today. She was in the car with like 4 people with music on. She's like, I hope it's not too loud in here, guys. We're like, I don't hear a thing.
Nothing.
Literally nothing.
Yeah, so these are great. They're just, I mean, if you're an audiophile, you're probably like, there's the bass level, whatever. I don't know. I like them. So Logitech Zone Vibe 100. They're like $80 right now.
Cool. The one I'll share, I don't know if we shared this one or not before, but if we have, it's been a long time. I'm really big on making flowcharts and getting visuals of like how things just work within a business. So whether it's like how a lead comes in and what does the follow-up look like, or having like an org chart of how your company, right? We've talked about recruiting today. Having an org chart of how your team is structured, or just building any sort of like visual representations of things, I think is really important. Especially somebody like me, I'm a very visual person. If I get on the phone and somebody starts talking about structure, numbers, like I get really confused, and I know I'm not alone. So if you want to be able to provide really good quality visuals for people to help them understand flows and organizational charts and stuff like that, we use a service called Lucid Chart. Big fan of Lucid, Lucid, like the car brand, Lucid Chart. There's very little free on there anymore. They charge you for pretty much everything, but it's worth it. It's the best there is, and it integrates with a lot of other software. So huge fan. If you need to build any sort of flow charts, check out Lucid Chart.
Sweet.
Cool. Well, I really appreciate y'all tuning in to the show today. I'm Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty.
I'm Bryan Kochi.
We'll see you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.